Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you do demo trade on Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do the demo trade, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget application, you will get to see this option of futures directly. Just simply tap to futures, and after opening that futures option, you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to tap into this three dot into the top right side. Just simply tap there, and then you will get this option of demo trading. Just simply select demo trading, and after selecting demo trading, you will get the demo amounts into your account. Now you can perform demo trading from this section. Just simply select the amount or limit order. You can select close and open options into here. Just simply select any of those and you have to select the quantity, and after choosing all this, you can easily start the demo trading into your Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.